How to repair and reseed dead spots on your lawn. Lawn care is essential to having a beautiful, green, thick, healthy lawn. Dead spots seem to come from nowhere, appearing overnight, unsightly brown dead grass that needs to be removed and redone from scratch. There is a variety of causes that make dead spots: too much water, fertilizer, perhaps fungus or dog urine. Grass is temperamental. My husband has had great success with repairing dead spots, and he will only use Scott products as they have continually proven worthy. Things you will need: hand rake, shrub rake, gloves, wheelbarrow, flat shovel, Scott's seeding soil, Scott's grass seed. Hand rake or use a shrub rake to remove all dead grass spots. Let spots dry out. Pull up dead roots or sod. Fill spots with Scott's seeding soil, purchased at your local home and garden store. Spread Scott's grass seed onto seeding soil. You will need to purchase the grass seed that matches the rest of your lawn at your local home and garden store. Rake seed into seeding soil. Tap soil down flat with flat shovel. Cover with peat moss. Water daily for 2 weeks, then water 2-3 times a week, depending on rainfall. Tips: warnings. Water with sprinkler or hand water with a watering can as a heavy spray will wash seed and peat moss away. If you have pets, you need to keep them away from these areas as they will make a mess of your completed project.